Always be a first-rate version of yourself instead of a second-rate version of somebody else. Hey guys, I will tell you the top 5 best that girl hygiene tips you should know. So add those to your routine. Do you want to be clean, put together, and hygienic? Smell good. Same on these will help you, and you're in the right place. Shower care tip 1. Use a moisturizing lotion with a body oil to feel and smell good. Skincare tip 2. You should always double cleanse your face and body to get rid of leftover dirt. Subscribe for more videos like this. Nail care tip 3. Do you have long nails? You may be inviting bacteria that is harmful to your well-being. I have a nail and hand care video for you to watch. To avoid bacteria, you can cut your nails often. This can harbor less bacteria. Oral hygiene tip 4. Oral hygiene is the most important part of hygiene. Brushing your teeth morning and night will help you. Body care tip 5. Do you have dry skin or rough skin? That girl always use a body scrub. So always remember to use a body scrub for soft skin. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Hope this helps. Bye, see you.